At Siemens, innovation and ingenuity is at the core of our company culture for 170 years now, and we continue to challenge the status quo of technology in order to improve the world we live in with our solutions. One example is the eHighway solution, with which we want to revolutionize the freight transport on roads. Similar to electric trains, the eHighway truck connects with a pantograph to an overhead contact line and is thereby able to drive, independent from its heavy freight, large distances fully electric. A very safe, efficient and especially ecological solution. During the commissioning, before the eHighway truck operates for the first time, a technician checks the flawless operation of the pantograph. With the Microsoft HoloLens, we augment his reality in order to provide to him all relevant information at any required location.
Augmented reality
enables us to better prepare for the actual usage. The digital model allows components to be viewed in great detail. Safety is also improved by information videos that warn engineers about hazards. The service employee has full access to documents and information, and a service screen displays the measures to be implemented. The real-time data transfer simplifies collaboration over even large distances. The engineer in the head office sees the same as the colleague on site. At the end of the work, the engineer evaluates the job. He uses audio commentary to document the results. In the future, we want to further optimize the documentation process. For example, optical character recognition (OCR) can be used to automatically input serial numbers and rating plates.
With Prodware, we have a very competent and sympathetic partner. They helped us from the beginning to realize our ideas.
What we can see here is therefore unique. We are proud to demonstrate just how flexible the Microsoft platform is and the diverse range of potential uses offered by Dynamics 365. When it comes to mixed reality and cloud computing, the big question is how we can bring together the existing world with the new one, both in system terms and emotionally, so users can identify with the solution and declare it suitable for use in practice. The Siemens team and our partner Prodware have worked together brilliantly and developed an innovative concept for an innovative product. I'm confident we will very soon also experience HoloLens during commissioning activities in reality.
So we combine the ecological advantages of the eHighway and improve safety and efficiency even further with augmented reality. The HoloLens thereby gives us completely new ways of collaboration. But not only this, it is also about information management. Having the working steps digitally configured and processed in Dynamics 365, we can, for example, much better track the issues that our technicians encounter. This, in combination, from simple queries up to big data analytics, enables us to continuously improve in all aspects. After all, you can only be successful for 170 years if you continuously adjust your way of working to new technologies and reinvent yourself time and time again.